welcome back. So today's video is going to be really short because I'm just doing a quick little project to add on to Elena's outfit for her birthday outfit. And so this is going to be a headband. So this is what we're making. I just made this one for her. I made it kind of like a Frozen theme. That's her right there. She's excited about her headband. So these are the colors I'm going to do for this headband because it's going to match her rainbow Cocomelon theme. And then at the end, we'll try it on her and we'll put it together with her outfit so you can see the method to my madness. So what I'm using, these are called Chiffon Flowers, and I just bought them just like this. So like here's, like you see there's jewels in the middle, little bling. For this one, I'm doing a red, a nice like royal purple, and a nice bright yellow. And then I'm doing a blue. I know this looks really crazy, but it is all rainbow. So here's like a blue. This is called fold over elastic. Since I only needed a little bit, Elena, silly girl. I only bought a little bit, but I'm gonna end up buying a lot more because I'm gonna start selling these in my shop. After baby number 2 gets here next week, I'm going to start, once I reopen my Etsy store, I'm going to start selling more things, and so one of them is going to be headbands to match outfits. So, first step is to measure baby's head. I'm going to include a chart, in case you're interested in doing this, for the recommended sizings. So, I measured Elena's head early this morning, and it was about 18 inches in circumference, and she's about to be a year old. She was quiet until I turned the camera on. So for a 1-year-old, the recommended size to do is 14 inches for the headband because it is stretchy, so that'll give it its nice stretch. And that's the size I did this one, and it fits her perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down to 14 inches. So there's my 14 inches. Go ahead and cut it there. Next, I'm going to heat seal my fold over elastic, the same way you would do like ribbon. So here's my lighter. I'm just going to burn the end to make sure it doesn't fray. Do the same with the other end as well. Okay. Now, when you're working with fold over elastic, you'll notice there's 2 sides. One side has like a shine to it. The other side is just kind of a matte finish. So I want the shine to be on the outside. So all I'm going to do, I'm not even going to sew this. I'm just going to use hot glue. You can sew it if you want, but hot glue is perfectly fine. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on this end. Let it cool down just a second. Then pull the other end. Make sure I'm not twisting. And just overlap it. Just by maybe 1/4 inch. I wouldn't even do 1/2 inch. You don't even need to. And then I just kind of like flatten it down so it can stay. So then where I'm going to work with the flowers is right here to cover up this overlap. So I want... I think I want red in the middle. So to make sure that I'm covering the overlap, I'm going to go ahead and put my glue right on the overlap. You'll notice on the back of the chiffon flowers there's like a circle piece of felt. So I'm going to put that right on top, right in the middle. Give that a little squeeze so it stays. Get rid of any excess glue. Okay, for my next 2 flowers, I don't want them to have like too much spacing in between. I want them to kind of overlap. So to do that this time, I'm going to put the Elena. Okay, mamas. Okay. Okay. Shh. Shh. Thank you. I'm going to put the glue directly on the felt circle on the back of the flower. Like so. Then take it and overlap it so that they're next to each other, that the flowers are a little bit overlapping to give it a nice full look. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the yellow flower on the other side of the red. Apply the glue directly to the circle. Go ahead and give that a little press. Get rid of any excess glue. Stuck to my finger. And there we have it. That's it. And there we have it. The whole headband is done. Nice and colorful, rainbow to go with her Cocomelon outfit. So simple. There she is, my silly girl. We're gonna try her headband on her. And there we have it. I'm sorry, her hair is a bit of a mess right now. She's been playing, taking a nap, but it fits nicely. There's my baby girl. Just excuse her mess of her hair right now. Que linda. Que linda. Say yay. 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 She likes it. That's all that matters. Okay, mamas, we're gonna save this for your birthday. Crazy hair, girl. Crazy hair.